If you've ever been to Brooklyn's Chinatown, you have to go to Shin Fa Bakery. Also, I believe the sister bakery is called Lily Bloom. They have the best egg tarts in the area for Brooklyn at least. The top is nice and like bruleed. I've had it before and I love it. So let's see if I enjoy it just as much taking home. I popped it in the air fryer for 5 minutes so it's nice and warm. That crust on the outside is super flaky. The custard is so smooth. This one is not too sweet. You can see that bright yellow custard color. Super thick, which makes it delicious. Go try it out for yourself and let me know what you think.